The bus slowed down to a crawl, and the conductor, sticking his head out of the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come." When the conductor saw a small child is trying to stop the bus, he said, "Come quickly, okay, and tell whoever is there with you to come, okay, if anybody else is there to come." Wali shouted, "It's me, okay, only I am the one who has to get on, means only I am there to enter the bus." By now the bus had come to a stop, okay, and the conductor said, "Oh really? You don't say so." Conductor was surprised to see a small child who was alone and was ready to travel the bus. Okay, "Yes, I simply have to go to town," said Wali, still standing outside the bus, "and here is my money." She showed him some coins. Okay, Wali said, "Only I am there to travel, okay, only I am there to ride the bus. I want to go to the town." And she also told that, "I have money also," means I have money to travel the bus, and she showed some coins to the conductor. Okay, okay, but first you must get on the bus, the conductor said. "At first you have to enter the bus," and he stretched out a hand to help her. The conductor stretched out his hand to help Wali. Okay, means he was trying to help Wali to enter the bus, because Wali was a small girl and she could not enter the bus on her own. Okay, so conductor was trying to help Wali by giving his hand to Wali. But what about Wali? See, she said, "Never mind, I can get on by myself," means I can enter the bus by myself. Okay, as she was so excited to ride the bus, okay, she was so confident also, so she did not take the help of conductor. She was trying to enter the bus on her own. Okay, "You don't have to help me," she was saying to the conductor. The conductor was a jolly sort, means he was a funny man, fond of joking. He said, "Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam," he said. "Here, have a seat right up there in front. Everybody move aside, please. Make way for madam." Okay, conductor was very funny man. He was making fun of Wali. Okay, how he made fun of Wali? He told that, "Don't be angry with me," okay, and he was saying to every passenger, "Please get side, give a way to madam." Now why conductor is calling Wali madam? Because actually Wali was behaving like a madam. She was behaving like a mature girl, a confident girl. That is why the conductor in a mocking way was calling her a madam. Okay, it was a slack time of the day. Slack time means the time when there is no rush. Okay, there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. Wali was overcome with shyness. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. Okay, Wali was feeling shy because everybody was looking at her only. Okay, and because a small child was there to travel by the bus alone, that is why everybody was looking at her, and Wali was feeling so shy. Then she saw one empty seat, went there and sat down.